A thunderstorm brought heavy rain and powerful winds to Shah, the capital city of Selangor. The storm left significant damage in some areas. Strong winds tore roofs off and felled trees. In some parts of the city, heavy hail has also been reported. Luckily, there were no injuries reported. About 40 houses in Kampung Kebun Buna were damaged.
Holy crap, guys!
Over at a giant supermarket, the roof of a parking lot was blown away, damaging 8 cars. More than 20 cars were crushed by trees.
Oh gosh, that's bad.
It was also reported that a football stadium was seriously damaged, where a section of its bleachers completely dislodged. Residents are advised to be wary with the changing weather in recent times. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you soon.